Hello everybody, welcome back. So today you're in for another special treat. What I'm going to make for you today or show you how to make is one of my childhood favorite dishes. It was it's near and dear to me. It was something we used to have when I was very young, and that's what I'm talking about is corn fritters. So we'll be adding some of my usual chemistry twists to that and explanations to help you understand what makes them so delicious and moist. But they're also going to be very easy to make. I'll be using some fresh organic sweet corn. You can also use, if you want to, canned corn. It comes out almost as good, but not quite the same. But if you're in a pinch, you want to do it quick, you can use the canned version. So let's get cooking. So I'm going to combine some butter with about, let's say, a quarter cup of maple syrup. Notice some of that corn in there. You don't need too much because later I'm going to use it, put a little of that on top. Okay, so we got our butter and our syrup and some of that corn juice that I got from the cob. Gotta mix that up a little bit. I'm going to get one egg in there. I'm also going to add about a quarter cup of cottage cheese. Actually, probably closer to a half a cup for this recipe. Okay, that'll be a majority of our liquid. Okay, mix that up. And we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Measuring cup. There we go. 2 cups of flour. About half a teaspoon of salt. Using my chef measurements today. A tablespoon of baking powder. Tablespoon there, yep. There we go. What I'll do is I'm going to mix up the dry ingredients just a little bit before I add them together. We are going to have to add about a, let's say 3/4 cup of milk as well. So I'm just going to add my flour in. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk. I'm going to combine that well together. And then we can add our corn. Now you don't want to overmix this. You're going to see it's going to be kind of thick, which is exactly what we want. So it's looking pretty good. So we can kind of fold our corn in there now. So these will kind of be like almost like a biscuit consistency. So I'm going to fold that corn right on in there. Beautiful. So another batch. So these have, although maybe not the healthiest thing in the whole world, but really healthy, fresh, organic corn. And for the protein, we have an egg and we have cottage cheese. So all in all, not too bad. Pretty nutritious. And of course, you get plenty of fiber with the corn. So they probably take about 3 minutes or 4 minutes or so. You can flip them over if you like. Just kind of keep an eye on them. They will get nice and crispy. As you can see. So they probably take about 3 minutes or 4 minutes or so. You can flip them over if you like. Just kind of keep an eye on them. They will get nice and crispy. These are coming along beautifully. Nice and golden brown and crispy. All that fresh organic corn inside. It's sweet. A little bit crispy too. Oh yeah. Get that. You gotta try these. Your whole family's gonna love them. As you can see, very easy. So I'm not gonna wait for these done because they're best when they're really served hot. So let's take a look and see what that looks like inside. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. So we'll put a little maple syrup on that. And you can put some butter if you want to. Good organic Vermont maple syrup. Let's try it. Wow. So good. And so easy. Well, I hope you have a chance to try these at home. It's a delicious recipe. You can have them for breakfast. You can have them for brunch. Or you can have them for some night when you want breakfast for dinner. Excellent. Thank you for watching. And God bless.